Okay, so this next question, I think came from Crossroads. It's what does amootson mean?
It must be a maniso when you hear strange things. It could be a lot of different things. The one that I've heard was when you hear something inside your building, your house. If someone dies that used to live there, or a relative, a close relative, usually it's our ancestors want something from you. Maybe there's something that still belonged to them that you didn't put away in the bush, like an eagle feather or something, or they just want something to eat. They just want to be acknowledged, I think. When you feed them, you put food in the fire, and that's how they get whatever you want to give them. Sometimes tobacco, or sometimes food, sometimes just a teaspoonful of coffee or tea. You don't have to put too much in there. It just they get more when it gets over there of how much you put. There are a lot of different ways you can amaniso. Sometimes you might hear something in the bush, which means that you're being reminded of something. Maybe you forgot to do something. Whenever you hear or whenever you're amaniso, you should always rely on your tobacco. Put tobacco down, maybe on the ground, maybe in the water, in the fire. You put it down, you don't throw it down. Just like the food, you spoon it into the fire. You don't throw it in there. It's like feeding, really feeding someone, and giving tobacco to someone. Like when you put it by I used to watch my grandmother. She used to dig the ground a little bit with her hands, and then she buried the tobacco with leaves or something. And that's how you offer tobacco. You don't just throw it. And then again, I saw her put tobacco on top of the snow and bury it with the snow. So there's a lot of ways you can offer tobacco. And some people too, they put food in the bush or on the ground. That's another way of offering to your ancestors. You say.